Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram crash when you opening in mobile or Instagram not opening in your mobile. So let's start without wasting any time. So here you can see when I am clicking on Instagram app, then it go back automatically and when I am clicking again, so here you can see it gives me same problem. So how can we fix it? So I'll tell you the whole process. So first of all, open your settings, click on network and internet, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your device. So if not connected, then go back and click on data network and make sure that your mobile data is on. So after doing this, go back and open your Play Store and search your Instagram. Click on Instagram and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it. So after doing this, go back. So after this, open your settings again, scroll down, click on system and click on reset options and click on reset Wi-Fi and mobile and Bluetooth and click on reset settings. So after doing this, go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So if not fixed, then open your settings again and click on apps and notifications. Click on Instagram. Here you can see Instagram and here's the option of storage and cache. Click here and click on clear cache and clear storage. So click OK. So if the setting of your Android mobile is different from mine mobile, then I'll tell you the shortcut. So shortcut is go back and long press on Instagram and click on app info. So here you can see this is the same interface like that. So here is the option of storage and cache. Click here and click on clear storage. So after doing this setting, go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So open your Instagram app. So here you can see my Instagram app is open. So first of all, you need to log in your account. And here you can see my Instagram open smoothly. So if you have this type of problem, then follow my steps and you will be able to open your Instagram app smoothly. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.